Hello and welcome to the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, the 9th of April, 2015. Hope you're having a good trading week. It's been an kind of odd week, very light volume, but yet a lot of big opportunities, huge winners for us in the futures market so far this week with our opening range plays alone and some solid stock plays, surprisingly, but all in the first hour. Nothing happens after that with volume so bad. So let's take a look at where we're at here. Here's the ES front month futures contract daily chart. Just sitting dead in the middle of where we've been for the last month or two. S&P gained 5 for the session. We don't have any sell signals, buy signals that are being worked on here at all. We're just literally in limbo on no volume. Here's the NDX price flip here. Now 1 bar up, actually 2 bars after today. It did gain almost 32 points. Stocks was up 4. Biotechs were big, up 102 points. Doesn't look that big here on the chart, but it is. Google gained basically 4 points, recovering back to the 10 EMA. Apple lost 41 cents, back down to the 10 EMA. The VIX lost 0.8, almost down to that static trend line again. It's amazing how the VIX is stuck so tightly between these green and red static trend lines. Again, that's a reflection of the market. QM, the oil contract, closed at 50.42. That's down quite a bit from the close of the prior session, so what looked like a potential breakout in oil has failed for now. Gold was down 7.1. NASDAQ volume closed at 1.55 billion shares. So last Thursday, this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, remember last Friday was a holiday, have all been between 1.45 and 1.55 billion shares, all of which is right down in the gutter and about as bad as it can get. Makes for a real tough trading environment. So we got to be happy with what we've gotten. Here's a look at the ES the last 2 days in 5-minute bars. We did get a little gap up this morning. We ran up from there. That's what gave us the nice futures play, and a couple of our stock winners kind of topped out. That was actually the value area high to the tick is the high of the morning, the high of the day, actually. Then we rolled over, and you've got gaps to fill, and we did. We reached in and filled that gap and caused a bounce. We sat on the VWAP most of the day, and then another interesting move when nothing's going on and nobody's around. The Fed minutes from the last meeting get released. This market tanks for a moment, goes all the way down in one 5-minute bar to sweep the lows of the session, and then the next 5-minute bar takes it right back to the VWAP, and then we kind of swing and vacillate around the VWAP right into the close. So basically what you would expect from a non-volume, nobody around trading type of day. So we'll be very fortunate with stuff like IACI that we got. Give us some real nice winners for the session. All right, that's about it. This will probably be the last preview for the week as usual. We have wholesale, the initial and continuing jobless claims numbers tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. We've got the wholesale inventories data. We've got natty gas. Then Friday, import-export prices in the morning and Treasury budget in the afternoon. It's a Friday. With the way the volume's been this week, it's hard to believe that Friday is going to be the exciting day. I probably won't be around for the second half of Friday. I don't typically do a market preview for Friday because it's kind of the whole week sort of played out and we're just drifting at that point. We do start core earnings next week, so we'll talk about a lot of that in the weekend update. But in terms of Thursday, it's our last real great chance for some action this week. I really have no complaints, though, about this week. Every single day we've had some good opportunities that have done well, and that's a surprise when you look at volume. So everybody have a great trading session. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. We will be in the trading lab helping you out, trying to help you make money all day long.